Book 13. Joseph came to rule Egypt. In fact, brothers sold Joseph to sellers. The sellers sold him back to another house. Joseph worked very well. But he went to jail unfairly. The king's servants were also put in jail. They said,
"We both had a dream last night."
Joseph told what their dreams were about. One day, the king of Egypt had a dream.
I know a man named Joseph who tells dreams well.
"Bring him to me,"
said the king.
"You have the wisdom of God."
The king made Joseph rule over Egypt. Thank you, English. Book 14. Joseph forgave brothers. God was with Joseph all the time. There was no food all over the land. But Egypt had a lot of food. Joseph's brothers came to Egypt to get some food. They did not remember Joseph.
"I am Joseph, whom you sold." "But don't be afraid. God sent me here."
They came back home and said,
Father, Joseph is alive!
Is that true? Let's go see him!
Joseph met his father and cried for a long time. And he lived happily with his family again. Thank you, English.